So I am repotting my roses today. They were in this one, this pot here, probably for a little bit too long. Um, the roots were spiraling around the bottom, and it was pretty root bound. And I'm putting them in this larger grow bag, and they'll probably be in this one for the foreseeable future. It's going to be a lot healthier for the roots, and I've been working on teasing out this clump of roots to give it a better chance in its new home, because it's not a great idea to just put that root bound potted plant into its new home. You want to try and take this apart a bit, and I've still got some work to do here. But you can see my progress. These are much more taken apart, and I'm gonna kind of hold this up while I fill in the soil around it in the pot so that it can get much more root depth and coverage than this was able to provide. And it's going to be a much healthier situation for my roses because they have been struggling a bit, and this was definitely a contributing factor to that. So, all right, the repotting is complete. I am hoping that they'll start responding to the positive changes within a week or two, especially as we're going into spring. So hopefully they'll be rejuvenated and coming back to life. Yeah, those are just some quick tips on how to treat root-bound plants, and in the case of your roses, repotting your roses.